Best Sport Touring Motorcycles 2025 to 2025 Multistrada V2 S Review, Agile, Comfortable, Beautiful. Ducati's Multistrada line has long been a benchmark in the world of sport touring motorcycles, and for 2025, the Multistrada V2 S continues to refine its role as a lightweight, approachable, and elegant alternative to its larger V4 sibling. With updated ergonomics, smoother power delivery, and classic Ducati design, the 2025 Multistrada V2 S emerges as one of the most well-rounded midweight sport tourers on the market. Designed for riders who seek the comfort of a touring machine without the intimidating size or weight of the V4, the V2 S offers a perfect blend of agility, practicality, and Italian style. It's lighter, lower, and more accessible without sacrificing the performance that Ducati is known for. Refined power and lightweight performance. At the heart of the Multistrada V2 S is Ducati's proven 937 cubic centimeters Testostrada 11°L twin engine, delivering 113 horsepower and 96 Nm of torque. The engine is tuned for real-world touring and commuting, offering strong low and mid-range performance that makes the V2S ideal for twisty roads, urban maneuvering, and long highway stretches. For 2025, Ducati has reduced the overall weight of the bike to just 222 kilograms, wet, by optimizing components and improving chassis geometry. Coupled with a low seat height of 830 mm, the V2S is more manageable and welcoming for a wider range of riders. Comfort and technology made for touring. The 2025 V2S isn't just about performance, it's about all-day comfort and modern touring capability. It comes equipped with Ducati Skyhook suspension EVO for semi-active damping and ride comfort. 6-axis Bosch IMU for lean-sensitive ABS and traction control. A crisp 5-inch TFT display with Ducati multimedia system. Cornering lights, cruise control, and multiple ride modes. Optional heated grips, center stand, and side luggage system. The ergonomics are designed with long rides in mind, featuring a redesigned seat, improved wind protection, and relaxed handlebar positioning. YouTube applause, the sophisticated midweight tourer. The 2025 Multistrada V2S is already getting high praise across YouTube. MCN's Ride Review, 650K plus views, praised the V2S as the best handling touring bike in its class. Motobob described it as the thinking rider's Ducati in his 2025 midweight sport touring roundup. RevZilla's full test focused on its accessibility, highlighting it as a perfect step-up bike for new tourers. Ducati's official V2S 2025 reveal video has surpassed 800K views, with strong engagement from fans worldwide. Conclusion: a beautiful balance of form and function. For riders who want the Ducati touring experience in a lighter, more agile package, the 2025 Multistrada V2S is an exceptional choice. Combining elegant Italian styling, cutting-edge electronics, and long-distance comfort, it stands out as one of the best sport touring motorcycles in its class. Agile in the corners, comfortable for hours, and beautiful from every angle, the V2S doesn't just take you places, it makes the journey unforgettable.